Hello, Facebook Live. Hello, everybody. Hello, YouTube. July 23rd. Waiting for my live notification to go live here. It's July 23rd, and it is look, at noon. I'm running a little late today. Busy day. Up at 5, 6. Out the door, taking care of some errands, doing a bunch of things. Got to go check some people into the Airbnb here in a few minutes. Got a great wine tour we're sending out with our guests this weekend. Really great wine tour. I'm super excited about that. 20 of them are going out on a tour. And let's see, my notification has not gone out that I'm live yet, so I wonder what's going on here. Let's just double check. If you're tuning in and you can hear me, drop a comment, hashtag live, hashtag replay. Hi, Joel, how's it going? Joel must have got the notification. Joel, did you get a notification that I was live? So I did not. Usually I get it right away. Usually I get right away. Nope. But, all right. So, back for a limited time. I don't have much time, so I'm not going to carry on this Facebook Live like I do on a lot of them. Just some simple things happening here. Back for a limited time. Soft shell crabs. Soft shell crab BLTs are back. We got our first shipment of soft shell crabs in this year. Very first shipment of crabs in. That's the good news. The bad news is they almost doubled since we bought them 2 years ago. But that's okay. We have a lot of you asking for them, so unfortunately the price is going to go up on that. It's not going to double in price, but it is going to go up in price. So we're doing a crab BLT with coleslaw and potato salad on our pretzel bun. It's going to be awesome. So that's happening. I have oysters in. We'll be doing oysters. Oysters on the half shell. Oh, there's my notification. But I'm live now, so that just went out. So we are doing oysters on the half shell. Limited supply of those in. If those sell out, I'll get more oysters. The place I got the oysters from was like, oysters, we're getting them, but we're not getting many of them in the soft shell crabs. It was like, I can get them for you, but they are pricey. And he told me the price, and I said, well, let's do it. Let's try it out. Let's see what happens. I think it's the reality of everything is priced higher now, and everybody understands that. And if you don't understand that prices are higher, you're not buying food, or you're living under a rock, or you're growing all of your own food, which is not a bad option at all, by the way. Which I think everybody should be growing something for themselves. So you can grow a lot of things in a small space. And you can really grow some of your favorite plants and herbs and tomatoes and things like that. And there's nothing more satisfying than having a garden and picking your own products. So, hey Aileen, what's happening? Oysters, yes, Aileen, oysters. So Joel just posted Justin's stats. Our son Justin, 7-0 ERA, 7-0 record, 7 wins, 0 losses as a pitcher, 254 ERA. Thanks, Joel, for posting those stats. He was at 3 something the other day, but then he pitched another 5 shutout innings. And he would have almost a 0 ERA, but he got roughed up on one outing. One outing, he gave up 6 runs. That's the only time he's ever given up a run in all the games he's pitched. That was the only time he got roughed up. But that was it. He just wasn't having a good day. Other than that, he's been lights out to everybody. It's been great to watch and see him pitch and see his stats. So thanks for sharing those stats, Joel. Appreciate that. 7-0, 254 ERA. It's only like a $10 million job if he's one league up in the majors. So fingers crossed on that. Let's see. So oysters are back. Soft shell crab BLTs are back. They are going to be about $22 instead of $15 like they used to be. It's just what the prices are. They doubled on us. I'm not doubling them on you, but they doubled on us. What else is happening? Oysters, soft crab BLTs, scallop. The scallop risotto has been selling like crazy. More scallops just came in. These beautiful sea scallops, nice large sea scallops, dry packed. 10 to 20 per pound is a count on those. If anybody knows the count sizes, a nice large scallop. Those are beautiful. We have a big party today, this afternoon. That'll be over by 5:30, 6 o'clock. If you're thinking about coming in tonight for dinner, please make a reservation. And please, anywhere you make a reservation, if you're not going to show up, call that restaurant. This is a major problem right now with restaurants across the country. In fact, Yelp, the online review platform, will take reservations for restaurants, and so will OpenTable, which is very common. OpenTable is actually doing a seminar to restaurant owners on how to like take money up front from people. So you get a deposit, because this is a thing going on nationwide right now. People are just not showing up for their reservations. They make a reservation and they no show, no call. And that's a detriment. That makes a massive detriment to a restaurant that's trying to make a living. And I found yesterday I was talking to a friend, and 2 more restaurants I know are closing. That's it. We're done. We can't make it anymore. We look like we're busy, but we can't make ends meet with what's happening. So two other restaurants. Those are in the Hudson Valley here, closing for good. Thanks, Joel, for the reminder. Spain wine dinner. We're doing a Spain wine dinner, Spanish wine dinner, not this Monday, the following Monday. We're revisiting Spain. Had a couple in last night. This French couple that drinks a lot of our good Spanish wines, the Matramera specifically, which is an amazing vineyard in Spain. The Matramera Crianza, and we have the Reserva too. So yeah, Spanish wine dinner, revisiting some Spanish wines. We got the Soplo coming back in from Rafael Cambra. We have the Ochoa coming back in. The white blend from them. I can't wait for the Ochoa Rosé to come in. Always my favorite. That used to be the winery of the king, the appointed winery of the king of Navarra when Spain was broken up into pieces. Navarra is the region now. So that's a great winery. Jamie and I were there. We were in Rafael Cambra too. Told that story the other day. Beer dinner coming up. We're gonna. Today's email has a lot of this stuff in it. If you're on our email list, a lot of this stuff will be in the email. So the beer dinner coming up is Stone Brewing, a Vertical Epic. Stone did a series of beers from 2002 to 2012, where they released each year a different beer that would age, and then you drink them all in 2012 or 2013. Well, we still have them 9 years later. We still have some of these beers left. We did a few a couple months ago, and they were tasting amazing. So now we're going to grab 4 vintages, and we're going to do all Stone Vertical Epic beers. Epic revisited a decade later is basically what we're doing. 9 years later, revisiting the epics. So I think I should contact Stone Brewing and let them know we're doing that, because this is a big deal, those beers. So $29 on one dish. That's a bargain for those beers, and that's going to be, I don't know when that date is. It's probably going to be in the email. Jamie picked the date and confirmed it with me. I just don't have it offhand, and she's not watching right now. So that's the story with that. Hi, Billy. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks, Aileen, for tuning in. Yes, oysters. All right, folks, that's it. I got to get going. Got to go check some people into the Airbnb, grab a quick lunch here, and head out. Everybody have an amazing weekend, and we hope to see you soon. And that's it for now.